Yo, what's up? So in this free mail video, I will be using these labels I got from Office Depot. I could send you guys the PDF version of these labels, and you can just go get them printed off at Office Depot, or you can use Avery.com. I will have my Cash App in the description. It's going to be $15 if you want to send an extra $5, you know what I'm saying? Help your boy buy some books or something. Then go ahead and do that if you're feeling generous, but it will be $15 with a donation. Put in the description donation and then put your email so I could go ahead and shoot it directly to you. Okay, please do that if you want this label template. So today's topic will be free mail. What's up, guys? Hope y'all doing good. So what we got here is the envelope, obviously, the green receipt. This is gonna be for our record, so keep these. And we have the return receipt. So I'm gonna show you how you go put it on there. Oh yeah, we also have the stickers for the mail. So this is gonna be your record after you stamp it on the envelope. You'll keep these for your own record just to track it, right? So let me show you. Boom. So you have your return receipt. You gonna have stickers on the back. So this one didn't have stickers, that's why I just wrote on this one. I tore the stickers off, but you put your name and you put their name and their address. So you got your envelope and your green receipt. You go put the green receipt on the back of the envelope, like so. On the back of the envelope, you'll take off the stickers and you'll just stick it there. Boom, just like that. So once you turn it around, you got this green receipt right here, and it's a sticker at the top of it. You put the sticker at the bottom part in number two, article number, right? Simple. Take off the sticker and put it in article 2 number. Article number 2. Bam. So you take this other part, it's another sticker. You go take this part and you're gonna put it literally in between your name and your sticker. I'm gonna show you guys a picture of the finished product. But this is how the front of your mail should look. Now this one I did without the stamp, but on this next picture I'm gonna show you guys how I did it with a 2-cent stamp. So this is with a 2-cent stamp. You put the stamp right under the label.